Hi, I'm Nicole, a librarian at McAllen Public Library. Keep watching to learn some basic knife skills. These 4 basic knife skills are important for beginners. You'll learn how to hold your knife, position your knife, slice, and dice. Holding your knife is an important skill to have. Wrap your hand around the handle of the knife while pinching the top of the blade with your thumb and index finger, where it meets the handle. Pinching the blade allows you to have more control while using the knife. Instead of laying your fingers flat, curl back your fingers into a claw formation. This will keep your fingertips safe from any slips and safely gives you more control of the ingredients to speed up the overall process. Now that you know how to hold your knife, you can position it. Instead of repeatedly lifting the knife, you should keep the front tip of it softly planted in the cutting board at all times and rock the blade back and forth from front to back across the ingredient. This ensures clean, even cuts. Now you can start slicing. Lay your ingredient flat on the cutting board and hold your knife perpendicular to it. Use your non-dominant hand to guide the ingredient, drawing the knife through in even slices while following the previous rule of not lifting the front tip of the blade off the cutting board. While the width of your slices will vary depending on what you're making, always be sure you're making uniform cuts. This allows all of the ingredients to cook evenly. If your ingredient doesn't lie flat against the surface, you'll have to slice it in half before dicing so that each half sits flat against the cutting board. Make thin slices in one direction before rotating the ingredient and slicing in the opposite direction. Here's an example of how to dice an onion. You'll have to peel and slice it in half down the middle and cut off just the base of each half of the onion. With the onion lying flat on the surface, make incisions throughout the onion almost all the way through, but stop just short so that the pieces remain attached at the top. Then rotate the onion and slice through perpendicular to the first set of cuts, resulting in even, diced pieces. These are some basic knife skills perfect for beginners in the kitchen. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow MPL Adults on Facebook. I will link these and other skills down below.